How to remove gray background from a scanned document in Publisher. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Publisher and insert your scanned document. To do that, click on Insert in here and click on Pictures. In Pictures, click on the scanned document and enter it. After it's inserted, resize it. Then you'll find picture format at the top. Click on it. In there, click on recolor. Select the one you prefer. After you have done that, you can press on corrections beside it. After you press on correction, click on picture correction options. Now in here, you can select your brightness and contrast as you prefer. After you're done selecting it, press on OK at the bottom. After you press on OK at the bottom, you're good to go. This is how to remove gray background from a scanned document in Publisher. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.